Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove tag from your Instagram. So if someone tagged you in some picture or in some video and you want to remove that tag, so simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. And after that you have to click on your profile picture from the right bottom, and once you will do it, you will see your profile here. Simply here you will see two options. Here you have to select the second option, and here you will see all of your tag posts. Simply select the one post you want to remove from your Instagram tag. So once you will do it, your tag will be removed from your Instagram profile. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.